Here's the face hugger. It's long bit. Look what I caught for dinner, right there. Some sort of wire brush. Now to wrap this around the neck first. Might help. First around the neck the first time. And then take, fit it here. See through these eyeball holes. Wrap these ones around. Try to get this second or middle, probably the second leg. Okay, yes, the second leg right here. Get that sucker to wrap around the ears like eyeglasses, of course. Bend that thing down. Angle to put over there. Take this second one, it just seems thicker and better for bending over the ear here. Fix the other legs so they're gripping around the top of the head. Maybe this first lowest leg that goes around onto the back of the hair. Or maybe even fix that one to wrap around from the back of the ear or something. Whichever might could fit Barry better. Swallowing the eggs down. Has your friend check on you. And then you take it back off. Around the neck. Tight fit. Not really. There you hang it on the wall or over the headrest. Something like this. And it's not just about impressing, scaring, surprising, improving upon your house guests. It's about living up beyond your expectations, buddy. And going to check the mail, let's say. Give him a taste of that. Ridley Scott, Sharker design. Give him a bit of those scares, or those uncomfortable, sexual advances, creepy anatomy, perverting design. And this mask, no one can hear you